Got this ladder golf game for her birthday. There are just some noteworthy little gimmicks here on the box I wanted to document. It looks pretty fun. It's like some golf ladder hybrid. I don't know. People probably got bored wanting to use their imagination. It's supposedly really fun. This dude scored. He's got a pretty skinny wife. Probably one of those younger dudes that gained a lot of weight after he got married. Or she's just not a shallow asshole, and she just went with went for personality.
We know that's not true.
And I also like that apparently all races can play it. Here you go. Got like Latino, black. And this is the part that kind of befuddles me. It's got some freaking... What the hell is this? First of all, she looks like she's old enough to be his granddaughter.
Could be a Snuggie.
Second of all, you can't even see the product.
And she looks like she got locked in a tanning bed.
You can't even see the freaking product. Like, is this advertising cuddling? Like,
Tanning bed.
people who cuddle can play this game too or something. Or you don't even know because they're not... It's just like they just are like, you know what? We like you and we want you to get some publicity, and it doesn't matter you're not playing our product, playing with our product. Just get on the cover just because you're my friend. Freaking... Yeah! I don't know. It's just like a bunch of random people.
Daddy Ice!
I haven't looked at this part yet.